Welcome to Happy Sewing. Let's see today how to add a pocket to a side seam. I have here skirt pieces for a dress I am making. And here is our future side seam, not yet there, but will be there. And that's where I want to add an inseam pocket. For the pocket, I have cut 2 pocket pieces. You need 2 of these for each pocket that you want to make. I have also marked here where I want to place the pocket. It is up to your personal preference where you want to place it, but I've marked here where I want to place mine. I have also added some interfacing to strengthen the pockets. This helps it to stay closed and makes a smooth finish. My dress has 1.5 cm seam allowances. At this stage, it is useful to mark these 1.5 centimeters. It will help later when sewing the side seams. So mark 1.5 centimeter upwards and inwards from the pocket placing mark. Mark these to all pocket corners. When making marks the upper corner, note that it is 1.5 centimeters downwards and inwards. Let's start sewing. First we will sew each pocket piece to each skirt piece separately. After that we will sew side seam. Let's start with the front skirt piece. Mark with pins where the pocket will be placed. These are the marks you have made already earlier. Now turn the skirt piece so that the right side of the fabric is facing upwards. Now place one pocket piece right sides together on top of the skirt piece. I have the interfacing on the wrong side of the pocket piece, so that's now facing upwards. Pin the layers together. Let's now sew the pocket piece to the skirt piece. As said, my dress has 1.5 cm seam allowance, but at this stage, let's use only 1 cm seam allowance. Now is the time to press the seam open. Press seam allowances towards the pocket piece. To ensure that your pocket will stay nicely inside the seam, let's understitch the seam allowance to the pocket piece, close to the seam. So, here we have the front skirt piece ready. Let's repeat all these steps for the back skirt. Now both front and back are prepared. Both have pocket pieces in place. And now is the time to sew the side seam. Let's place front and back right sides together and pin the side seam. Now that everything is pinned carefully, let's sew. Start from the top and sew until you meet the mark you made in the beginning. remember those marks from 1.5 centimeters. Place the needle down and turn. Sew around the pocket until you meet the other mark. Needle down, turn again and continue till the end of hem. And remember to secure the stitching. Once the side seam is sewn, we can now see that the pocket is slightly inside the side seam. At this point, it is a good idea to sew again a couple of centimeters before and after corners. This strengthens the corner and makes it more durable. For example, when you're placing your hand inside the pocket, the stitch won't come off. And now let's open these skirt pieces and ta-da! We have a pocket.